Biomass Continuous Carbonization Production Line. The Biomass Continuous Carbonization Production Line consists of three parts: crushing, drying, and carbonization. First, the raw materials are crushed by a crusher. The crusher crushes the raw materials into particles of uniform size through the high-speed rotating Hammer Mill. This can accurately control the next process of carbonization temperature and assure the materials fully carbonized. Different raw materials can be configured with appropriate equipment according to user needs. Then the crushed materials will be sent to the dryer for drying. The induced draft fan continuously introduces the heat in the hot air furnace into the drum. The materials are lifted and fell during the rotation of the drum, and a large amount of water in the materials is evaporated and taken out by the hot air flow. The drying effect is achieved. The dust of the materials with lighter specific gravity will be collected by the column separator dust collector and used in other aspects, which solves the emission problem and makes the best use of the materials. Finally, the dried materials are sent to the continuous carbonization furnace. The carbonization furnace reaches a higher temperature in the rotary drum by external heating. In the high temperature and oxygen-free environment, the residual water and a large amount of organic matter in the materials begin to pyrolyze and volatilize, achieving the purpose of full carbonization. After cooling by the cooling device, the final product finished biochar is obtained. Biochar can produce a large amount of combustible gas during the pyrolysis process. After a series of purification equipment, relatively pure combustible gas is obtained. The gas is introduced into the combustion chamber of the carbonization furnace and hot air furnace of the dryer to ignite and continue for heating. When such a system is completed, the external heat source can be turned off. The user's production cost is greatly reduced, thereby achieving the purpose of self-sufficiency and continuous carbonization production.